Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Xbox Insider Hub is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up and give it a moment here. And then hopefully at this point you should be good to go if you attempt to open up the Insider Hub once again. A further step you want to perform here would be to open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field, go ahead and type in Xbox Insider. Best match should come back with Xbox Insider Hub. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down. Underneath where it says reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And then attempt to launch the Xbox Insider Hub, and hopefully that has resolved the problem. If not, you can also attempt to reset the application. So if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And once that is done, we're going to go ahead and close out of here and actually restart our computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully now if you launch the Xbox Insider Hub, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.